Hey, beautiful people. It's Tanya. Hope all is well. Today, we're going to talk to you about being able to sort your information in Excel quick, fast, and in a hurry. All right. So, I'm going to go over to Excel, and the goal here is to create content for a full year. All right, a full year. So I've come up with 13 concepts or ideas that we're going to discuss. These are blogs, these are ideas, these are images, these are memes, all sorts of information we are going to pull from this source so that we can begin to start circulating information sooner than later. So first, what I want to do is copy, go over to our second sheet where we'll make this nice and neat. And then we're going to post or paste the contents here. And you'll see from July to July is actually 13 months. And as you see, we're going to put this on our LinkedIn account. You can use any social media handle that you're on. And then we're going to create a column in between because we're going to put numbers here so that Excel will be able not only to populate them the way they're doing now, but it'll be able to sort it for us as well. So we're taking the same information, copying it one more time. And because we have numbers here, we'll select this column with the numbers and this column with our content. Remember 1 through 13, 13 being the highest, and we want to reverse this. So we'll go to sort and filter. We'll go to sort from largest to smallest, 13 being the largest. And automatically you see 13 through 1. Check things properly. Everything is working out. So that's how you do it. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 easy. And yes, you can go ahead and you can delete this because that served its purpose. But basically what we wanted to do is to show you how this can be done. We were able to knock out this content for a year in less than an afternoon. And if you would like for us to show you how we did that, then just give us a thumbs up, comment below that you want it, and we will give you a video immediately, if not sooner. Does that sound fair? Remember, follow us and also subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can see when brand new content is coming out. We promise you we're going to give you more content soon. Talk to you later. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Let's stay in touch. Follow us across social media at ECM Groups. Also, subscribe to this channel so that whenever we upload new information, you'll be among the first to know. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.